Hey everyone, ETPC here as usual. I am doing an unboxing on this cool little coffee mug I got for my son. So this is from wordsmithjr.com, and yeah, let's go ahead and open that up here. So inside we have hopefully what I ordered. Nicely packaged, obviously. Some bubble wrap. It's got some styrofoam in there as well. So I thought this was it's a PlayStation paddle. I don't know why I thought it was Xbox, I guess, when I ordered it, but PlayStation's fine too. But just a little gaming mug, obviously. Looks pretty cool there. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to leave a link to the website in the description below too. But cool little coffee mug, good for drinking hot cocoa for my boy while he's playing his game. So I think he'll really like it. So thanks for watching this video, everyone. Have a great day, and take care out there.